Flowset Control allows you to connect to an unlimited number of BPM engines to manage the business processes deployed on them. To manage connections, let's navigate to the BPM engine screen. This screen displays the configured connections. The table provides information such as the connection name, URL, and engine type. You can also create a new connection or edit existing ones. One connection must be marked as the default connection. This will be the primary connection for each user upon login. When creating a new connection, you need to specify its name, engine type, whether it should be the default connection, the base URL, and select an environment label. If authentication is required, activate the checkbox and choose its type, basic or HTTP headers. You can select the active connection from the header on any screen.